Okay, how do you know?
I'm using a better one because look, the rocket pistols are actually out.
Oh, gotcha. There goes Soul. Whoa! For a little thing, you really popped it, babe.
It was like I didn't even see it. I didn't even see it.
I know, it was so high.
Wow. Okay. Wow. I'm gonna try.
You definitely have to send some of these to Grandma and Padre. They'll be very happy about their present here. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da! No! Whoa!
Tyler, can you do that again? Okay. I didn't get a chance to see.
It was really good. You want?
Can I
Oh, you
hide behind
use the same one.
Oh, yeah.
We lost our first one.
I can't wait. Where is it?
It's right up there.
We need a soccer ball. Soccer ball.
Soccer ball to the rescue.
I can't see it.
It's
Soccer
right
ball.
above us, right there.
Soccer ball. Oh my gosh. Too hard.
Did you get locked out?
In the airplane.